Thordata is a proxy provider based in Hong Kong that has been gaining attention for its wide range of proxy solutions and data collection tools. As the platform celebrates its third anniversary, let's take a closer look with IPFighter to see whether the IP quality and overall performance are a good fit for your needs. Thordata offers a network of over 100 million residential IPs across 190+ countries and regions. In addition to its residential network, the platform provides a full range of proxy solutions, including residential, mobile, static ISP, and data center proxies, catering to a wide variety of use cases. According to the provider, its proxy services support both HTTP and HTTPS protocols and offer sticky sessions or rotating sessions, depending on the product. Thordata also claims a 99.7% success rate, response times under 0.5 seconds, and a user-friendly dashboard for managing proxies. Beyond proxies, Thordata offers several data collection solutions, including SERP API, Web Scraper API, Web Unlocker, and Scraping Browser, making it a suitable choice for businesses and teams handling large-scale web scraping projects. Thordata currently offers 4 main proxy types, each designed for different use cases. First are residential proxies, with over 100 million residential IPs across 190+ locations. They offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee and support both sticky and rotating sessions. These proxies are ideal for tasks such as price monitoring, ad verification, and other use cases that require real residential IPs with high trust. Next are mobile proxies, featuring a pool of 600,000+ mobile IPs supporting 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. According to Thordata, they deliver a 99.9% success rate across 30+ countries and regions and provide flexible IP rotation. They're well suited for web scraping, AI model training, and especially social media account management. Static ISP proxies use dedicated ISP-issued static IPs, allowing you to maintain long-term sessions with up to 99.99% uptime and unlimited bandwidth. These proxies are a great choice for multi-account management and ad verification. Finally, data center proxies provide access to over 1 million data center IPs worldwide. They offer fast response times of around 0.4 seconds and up to 99.99% network uptime, making them suitable for AI data collection and market research. Thordata offers 2 options: dedicated data center proxies for exclusive use and shared data center proxies for shared access. Pricing-wise, residential proxies start at around $2 per gigabyte, with enterprise plans dropping the price to as low as 65 cents per gigabyte for larger volumes. Mobile proxies start at approximately $5 per gigabyte, while the 500 gigabytes plan reduces the cost to around $2.20 per gigabyte. For static ISP proxies, the general plan starts at about $1.50 per IP for 7 days, while the premium plan starts at around $4.50 per IP, with lower per IP pricing available for bulk purchases. As for data center proxies, the dedicated plan starts at $1.50 per IP for 7 days or $4.50 per IP for 30 days. The shared plan is more affordable, starting at just 60 cents per gigabyte, with plans such as 10 gigabytes for $6. In addition to its proxy services, Thordata also offers high-bandwidth proxy, Web Unlocker, SERP API, and Web Scraper API for businesses with large-scale scraping needs. Overall, Thordata offers competitive pricing with flexible options suitable for both individual users and enterprise-scale projects. Thordata also provides a free trial for most of its products, allowing users to test the service before making a purchase. As for the refund policy, users can request a refund within 7 days, provided they have used less than 30% of their allocated bandwidth and no more than 2 gigabytes. The policy only applies to the first order, and cryptocurrency payments are non-refundable, so be sure to review the refund terms carefully before purchasing. Finally, if you'd like to save even more on your purchase, don't forget to visit the Coupons Partners section on IPFighter to grab a discount code before checking out. Regarding payment methods, Thordata supports a wide range of payment options, including credit card, Alipay, PayPal, cryptocurrency, and wallet, making it convenient for users in different countries to purchase proxy services. So, how do you get proxies from Thordata? In this section, IPFighter will show you how to purchase and generate proxies from Thordata. Simply visit the Thordata website and sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. Since IPFighter already has an account, I'll log in using my email address and password. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the Thordata dashboard. Here, you'll find the overview and proxies sections, where you can browse and purchase the proxy plan that best fits your needs. For this demonstration, IPFighter will purchase the residential proxy plan priced at $18 for 10 gigabytes, which works out to $1.80 per gigabyte. Before completing your purchase, don't forget to visit IPFighter.com to claim Thordata's discount coupon. To get the coupon, simply follow the steps shown on the screen. As you can see, after applying the coupon, the price of the 10 gigabytes residential proxy plan drops from $18 to $16.20 for a 30-day subscription, giving you an instant 10% discount. Using discount coupons from IPFighter can help you save a significant amount, especially when purchasing proxies at scale. If you plan to renew your proxy regularly and want to avoid service interruptions, you can also enable auto-renewal. By subscribing to a recurring plan, you'll receive an additional 10% discount from Thordata. Now let's go back to generating your proxy. Once you've successfully purchased a proxy plan, IPFighter will show you how to configure and generate your proxy for use. Go to the Proxies section, where you'll see Thordata's 4 proxy categories. Simply select the proxy type you've purchased. In this example, IPFighter purchased a residential proxy, so we'll click on that. Under the Proxy Setup page, you'll need to configure your proxy using the endpoint generator. First, choose your preferred authentication method, user authentication or whitelist IPs. If you choose user authentication, you'll need to create a username and password in the users section first. If you choose whitelist IPs, simply go to the whitelist section and add the IP address you want to authorize. For this tutorial, IPFighter will use user authentication and show you how to generate a proxy using this method. Once you've created a user, your username and password will be displayed here. Next, you'll need to configure your proxy in the Location Settings section. First, select the target country. For this example, IPFighter chooses the United States. After you select the country, the host field will automatically choose the nearest proxy gateway based on your selected location. Next, you can specify the state, city, and ASN for your proxy. In this demonstration, IPFighter will leave these options set to random. If you need to target a specific market, simply fill in the corresponding fields. In the Session Settings section, choose how your proxy session behaves. Rotating automatically assigns a new IP with every request, while Sticky keeps the same IP for a fixed period. With Thordata, the maximum Sticky session duration is 90 minutes. In this example, IPFighter selects Sticky session and sets the duration to 60 minutes, so the IP will rotate once every hour. The Testing Command section provides a sample curl command that you can copy and run in your terminal to quickly verify that your proxy configuration is working correctly. Finally, under Output Format, choose the proxy protocol and the number of proxies you want to generate. For this demo, IPFighter selects the HTTP protocol and generates one proxy. Once you've completed the configuration, your generated proxy will appear in the output box below. You can either copy it directly for immediate use or download it for future use. After successfully generating the proxy, IPFighter will test the quality of the proxy obtained from Thordata. First, I'll add the proxy to the IPFighter Proxy Manager Chrome extension for a quick quality check. If you're not familiar with the IPFighter Proxy Manager extension, you can click the video link in the top right corner of the screen or the link in the video description for a step-by-step guide. Once the proxy has been successfully configured in Chrome, I'll visit IPFighter.com to evaluate the real-world quality of this IP address. As you can see, the IP address has been successfully changed to a Thordata IP. When tested on IPFighter, this IP received a trust score of 75 out of 100. While it's not among the highest scoring IPs, it's still a solid rating that's suitable for many common use cases. Looking at the platform-specific scores, the IP performs reasonably well across major services, with Instagram at 84%, TikTok at 82%, Google at 77%, and Amazon at 66%. Overall, this indicates a fairly trustworthy IP, although Amazon evaluates it a bit more conservatively. The residential IP field shows yes, confirming that this is indeed a residential IP rather than a data center IP, which matches the proxy type we selected from Thordata. Regarding the IP information, IPFighter correctly identifies both the location and ISP as being in the United States, indicating that the network information matches the US proxy configuration we set earlier. Another positive sign is that the proxy detection field displays no, meaning IPFighter did not detect this connection as a public proxy at the time of testing. This can be beneficial for tasks that require a more natural and trustworthy IP identity. In addition to checking the IP's trust score, I'll also test its real-world performance using Cloudflare speed test. The results show a download speed of approximately 3.68 megabits per second and an upload speed of around 2.88 megabits per second. While these speeds aren't particularly high, the proxy still performed well enough for basic browsing and everyday tasks during testing, with acceptable page load times and no connection timeouts or interruptions. The measured latency was around 390 milliseconds, which is relatively high compared to a typical internet connection. As a result, this proxy may not be the best choice for latency-sensitive tasks such as gaming, live streaming, or high-speed automation. During the testing process, the proxy remained stable while accessing websites, with no CAPTCHAs or immediate signs of being blocked. This suggests that the IP still offers good quality and reliability, even though its network speed wasn't particularly impressive at the time of testing. Of course, this result is based on a single residential IP randomly selected during our test. Actual performance may vary depending on the assigned IP, geographic location, distance to the proxy server, and the specific proxy type being used. Overall, Thordata is a solid option if you're looking for a provider with a wide range of proxy solutions, along with additional tools for web scraping and AI data collection. Depending on your needs, you can choose between residential, mobile, static ISP, or data center proxies to balance performance, stability, and cost. Based on our hands-on testing, Thordata's residential proxy delivered stable performance, successfully rotated IPs, displayed the correct country information, and was correctly identified as a residential IP on IPFighter. Although the tested IP didn't achieve particularly high network speeds, it performed reliably in real-world use without encountering CAPTCHAs or triggering proxy detection during our testing. If you'd like to check the quality of an IP or proxy before using it, don't forget to visit IPFighter.com to analyze IP quality and access many other useful network and proxy testing tools. In addition, with the goal of improving the overall experience for the community, IPFighter is always open to collaborating with partners to bring users the best possible proxy options. If you're a proxy provider looking to partner with us and introduce your products or services to a wider audience, feel free to contact IPFighter through the following channels: Telegram at ipfighter_partnership or email support@ipfighter.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the IPFighter YouTube channel so you won't miss future reviews, tutorials, and proxy-related guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next videos.